how to fit a hole saw bit into a DeWALT Impact Driver. So the problem we have, or what most people have, is that their bits are just like this, just a hex shape. When you put it in the Impact Driver, there's nothing to keep it attached into the Impact Driver. So what you need, this is just another bit here. This is a bit holder. You can see it has the hex with the cutout here, which will, when you push it into the Impact Driver, not be released. So what you could do is you get a bit holder, then attach your your hole saw, like that. Then obviously it'll work. However, what you could do is get a hole saw bit with this end attachment. So you need to look for that. Most people will only have attachments like this. So if you don't want to use a bit holder, which might be, as you can see, a little bit wobbly, what you can get is a separate chuck like this. But make sure it's got the hex bit holder at the end here, and then this will go into your Impact Driver. You'll then be able to, as you can see, attach your tighten it up like that, give it a tighten, and then you can see that's a lot more steady. So the only way to attach a hole saw to a DeWALT Impact Driver, if your hole saw bit has this hex shape, or you get a chuck like this, a separate chuck, and you attach it to your Impact Driver like that. So hopefully that helps you out how to attach a hole saw to your DeWALT Impact Driver. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.